The fuck is this?
Breathe through their mouths, and on top of it all,
Fuck
they
up!
only pee in
You a bitch.
specified rooms.
Explore worlds or start the next
Yes,
bounty.
they've been in the news a lot lately.
Oh shit! I gotta start the next bounty.
You fight
Oh, you gotta
back,
say
sucker.
something? What you
You know,
gotta
I
say?
appreciate you having my back,
The
but
fuck up, bitch.
maybe your sister's right. Or not.
Oh, I didn't wanna sit
Team
down.
Gene, baby.
What the fuck? I didn't even know you could sit down next to him.
One of them
I actually never knew that.
to your stomach.
That's crazy. What about this bitch? What you gotta say?
Hey, are we cool? You
No,
were kinda
bitch.
coming
Shut
at me
up.
pretty hard during
I don't
that
give a
argument.
fuck. Shut the
And
fuck up.
just remember, like, we're siblings,
Let me
right?
start it. Let me start it. Okay, I can
That's
start
right
it.
now. And
Shut
just
up. I still need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them left. What's his name? Squaredano Bros. G3 Laboratory oversees 3 unsavory brothers who run Scandal Labs, a G3 facility on certified paradise that researches new product innovations, example the cloning and breeding of scented drugs. I actually haven't reached this far, bro, so I don't even know what the fuck to expect. Oh shit. What the fuck is this? Yo, what the fuck? Bro, you see this shit, bro? Y'all see this shit, bro? What the fuck is happening, bro? Bro, they have a whole body, a whole, what's that shit called? I forget what that shit is called when they carry you on. A stretcher. Yo, is this like an actual I don't, bro, I'm out this bitch. Bro, about time it teleported me. It had like GTA fucking loading screens, bro. It took like 50 years. I don't even know why it took that long. Probably my birthday in a couple hours, but it should taking this long. Damn, we're not even. I haven't even started yet, and I'm already 5 minutes into the fucking recording, bro. That's crazy. Alright, where do I go? So I gotta go over here. Oh, it's the guys from before.
That's
Oh shit.
Where is everyone?
Oh, it was awful. Everyone else got enslaved again.
Again? Dude, how?
I think they like being enslaved.
Bro, for real, cause there ain't no
Okay, well,
way,
no guarantees
bro.
we're gonna save 'em again, but
I doubt
where
it,
are
but
they?
They're
fuck,
working
bro.
at Screndo Labs now, just past the Mushroom Valley here. Just be careful. That place has freaky.
Thanks.
Oh my god, bro. Ain't no way that shit just happened for real. How the fuck did they get enslaved again? That's crazy. I'm missing. Oh, I gotta take the zip line down. Say less.
You gotta use me more, okay?
Oh, I didn't want to switch. I'm gonna use this bitch. Oh fuck, I forgot how to play this. Alright. I kinda wanna use Kenny though. I think it's her name's Kenny. Oh, I forgot we had a
Alright, time to
jetpack.
put that jetpack to good use.
Hello, hold A in the air to use your jetpack. Wait, can I make that with the jetpack?
I love
Oh
this.
my
Now
god.
we're really flying, huh? Really cool
I didn't think I
stuff.
was gonna make it with the
Now
jetpack. I
you're
was about to be like, what the
flying.
fuck do I do to get over there?
Okay, this
So use
definitely
RB
must be the
with
right way
guns to
because,
launch
you know,
this
we,
into.
uh,
Oh yeah, I
we
need.
haven't gone this way yet, you know?
Where is there a hot wall? Oh, right here.
I think it's a good time to use that scanner of yours.
Just press. Okay. Is he gonna shoot it? Oh. Okay, I didn't even know you could sling onto it. Alright, bet.
I didn't know bounty hunters.
How did I miss? Bitch. Oh my god, that didn't kill him. What? How did I miss that? Bitch. Do I jump over there? Oh, can I make that with the jump pad? Okay, I could. Look, if you looking far, I'm like, ain't no way I can make that with the jetpack. So I guess I can make it. Dude, bro. Oh shit, I can use my knife on that. How many coins do I have? 2,600. Alright, so now where do I go? How the fuck do I get up there? Oh, I gotta go all the way around. What am I tripping? Oh, it's the hollow right. But why when I did it last time, it didn't fucking show me that? Like, be fucking for real right now. Okay, if I shoot it here, like, where the fuck do I go? For some reason, the fucking floor just cut out, bro, and I had to restart my shit. Where's the other fucker? Where they at? Why am I getting shot? Oh, it's right there. Oh, I thought I missed. I'm like, you know where I missed that. How the fuck do I go over there? Oh, okay. This is one of those.
Look at us. We just get
Oh shit, some parkour shit. Can I land on? Bruh, how am I getting shot right now? Oh, you're big. Oh, why did he ran away? He just ran away. Where the fuck? Oh shit. I need to switch up my gun. I need candy, bro. Oh my god, he broke my shield.
It's nice to kill something guilt-free, you know?
So how am I missing, bro? Oh my god, bro. Scuba was about to break my shield again, too. Try really squeezy to slow down objects. Oh yeah, I need to use her. I think it was her, right? I'm gonna shoot the middle one. Nah, I just shoot the. Yeah, I'll shoot this one. There we go. Alright. Says reach the Scrandle Labs. It's not this? Let me see if there's any coins or something I missed or anything. Oh, I need to get in there. I can't get in here? I'd have to go all the way. Oh no, I could. Alright. What's this? It's like the DNA thing. What the fuck does this mean? It says, isn't it weird enough for me that I'm okay, I don't know what the fuck she said. Oh shit. I just activated something. Or I don't know though. What's over here? Just show me random shit. Like, why the fuck do I need to see this for? Oh, okay, it's loading. To discover locations in Scrandle Labs. Entering security checkpoint. Reach the Scrandle Lab. Oh, what do I do here? Press RB to fire Kenny's glove shot at this platform with green group on them. Oh, okay. I need to use Kenny.
What time is it?
This is press RB to fire Kenny's. The fuck? Where do I need to go though? I need to launch myself again. Oh my god, no way I made it. I didn't think I was gonna make it. Where am I supposed to go? It's over there. Sniper detected. Oh shit. Oh, I see this bitch. I don't know if I killed them. Is it multiple? Oh shit, yeah it is. Oh my god, if they hit me with that sniper, bro. I wonder if it's like go instant kill if they hit me in the head. No, I doubt it. Alright, where the fuck do I go from? Oh, I have to go over there? Oh, it's a bridge up here, what the fuck? Where is he shooting? Oh my god. I'm blind, fuck. Oh, where's this other fuck? Oh, I see you, bitch. Yep, you're dead. I think I could make. Yeah, I could make this.
We're like a drone.
Oh shit!
All right, Scrindle Labs, dead ahead.
Is there anything over here? Nah, there's not. Alright. What the fuck? Dude, I didn't expect that. I almost died because the fucking bridge broke underneath me.
Can we use that zip line to cross?
What's this? If I press this. They could have just told me that at least. Like, what? I didn't even. I saw it, but I'm like,
What do you think
loading
Scrindle Labs
dog.
is like? I mean, like I know a little bit. I mean, I heard a bit, so I kind of know. But I'm just making small talk right now, you know.
The
I'm
fuck
just
a
trying to-
Gatara?
I'm just trying to fill.
Says Gatara is actually a pretty common fruit. Most aliens don't even have a name for it, but on Galaxy it's known as the perfect on-the-go food to recharge and build back up and feed it to your gallon to the middle comment to skip the cooldown on the trick. So this is all the items I
Dead
have.
air, it's really uncomfortable.
I still have the
Don't
gallon
get
of
mad at
comp
me
too.
if what I'm saying
That I got for no
isn't that
reason. It was
interesting
free
because,
though.
you know, I'm
So
doing my best here, you know.
now what?
Hello.
I need to talk to this dude?
Scrindle Labs. Oh,
You
Oh
got
my
it,
god,
kid.
not her again. Who helped us with the paperwork and killed.
Oh, you're the bounty hunter who helped us out with all that paperwork and killed my boss, Krubus. We really appreciated that. But sorry, I need.
You're gonna set off the alarm.
Yep, I'm gonna set off the alarm.
No, don't.
Got an intruder? G3 are coming for you. Sorry, it's my job. And I don't care about you.
Dude, we just helped
I
her.
am simply not, but they pay me to tell them when intruders show up, so I do.
Dude.
Oh shit, here they come. You know, hey, at least the elevators are working now.
What the fuck? It's like recharging it. No, go up. Oh, it. Oh my god, another bitch fucking healing him.
I'm gonna fracture your fossils.
Alright. Can I collect these? Where do I put this where?
Design an elevator like this.
What did I do? Oh, I moved it down for me.
Be careful,
Alright.
just don't fall.
I can't go through here? What if I shoot this? What does this do?
Damn, bounty hunter, nice.
Nothing?
You're pretty good at elevator fights.
Dude, there's a green mark like I thought I could interact with it. Alright, so I need that to go up. Was pressing the wrong button. Oh shit. Bro.
We just did the universe a favor.
Shot me one time and then broke my whole fucking shield. So now what do I do? I need to get all the way on top. Do I need to fly to that one? Yup. Alright, this is gonna take me. Yep, okay, it's gonna. Oh my. Oh, there we go. So it's gonna take me all the way on top. So it's entering section A. I can't even pronounce it. The fuck is this?
Stuff shit going on here. You're not even really supposed to be here if you're not part of the G3, but you know, it's fine that you know that. Don't mess with any of the experiments or kill anyone. Especially not the Scramble Brothers.
I don't even understand what the fuck she's saying on there. Holy fuck. Look, there's so many of them in here. Oh my god.
Cut the head up your ass, bitch.
Oh, why is he running back? Oh my god, I don't want to fuck with the guys with the purple shit on their head. The fucking shit controlling them is all the way behind. Oh, I can't even go behind there. What the fuck? Need to kill this bitch. Oh. Fucking bitch. How's there another one? Hit that shit, bro. Oh, you're dead. Yep, you're dead.
Right, now let's take a look around this place, you know, see what kind of experiments they're doing here.
Let's see what I can find. What is this?
Oh shit, that's Gatterall. Feed me some of that. It gives me more energy. It gives me energy back to do more cool shit. Oh shit, well, what the fuck are they doing in there?
What is this? Is this a body in here? Yo, what the fuck? Hey, who's
Would you
this?
like to do the honors? We're going to try to show up those cocky nerds in the weapons lab by fusing this human with some other aliens. Just hit the button.
No, you know, I don't think we're qualified.
Do I have to? Oh, I just did it. A human was an alien. You're gonna.
Fucking kidding me?
That wasn't supposed to happen.
We just fucking killed them.
Why'd you press the button, bounty hunter?
Oh, I can't click this one too. That's crazy. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. Let's see what other shit I can find. What's up here?
Sheesh, whoever works here really needs to get their shit together. What a mess.
Also, button. Weapons lab unlocked.
Hello, John.
Oh, who's this?
Dr. Gergen. I've been asked to send you some of my findings on the human genome.
Interesting.
And I doubt you'll even be able to comprehend what you're looking at. But I promised Garmantuous I'd provide them. And now please don't contact me again. I'm busy.
This Dr. Gurgler guy.
Can I contact them again? Someone's getting their asshole fucked or something, bro. Like, what is that screaming? Alright,
Oh god, are those Gatlians?
Yo!
I'm gonna be sick.
They're stabbing him! Oh, did we save him? Creature.
Oh, hey! You look nice! My name's Creature. The bad guys did experiments on me and fucked me up real bad. Basically every way you can imagine.
What the?
Shit, am I glad to see another Gatlian alive in here? Are there any others?
Oh my god, yes! There's so many! Oh, but unless you've been alive, then no!
Oh, what?
Creature, we're taking on the cartel. You want in?
Oh, no.
How many of there is?
Good care of me. Holding me against my will, cutting me open, doing experiments on me. Okay, you know what? Saying it out loud, I think they might actually be
Am I
bad.
locked in
I'm
here?
part of your team
Oh
now.
shit, I'm actually locked in.
Yeah, welcome aboard, Creature. That's your name?
Wait, for is that actually? What the?
Oh, hey, we're locked in, but that's fine. Don't freak out or anything. I can give birth to a bunch of little freaks and they can disable the door lock. It's fine.
Press RT to launch one of the creature train disable district boxes. So what is he gonna do? Oh, he could jump in there. Oh, there. Oh shit. Press RT to fire one of the creatures at the enemies. Does he attack? So actually then when shot into enemies. Oh. They do more damage than if I were just to shoot regularly. I could shoot multiple at a time too. Press RT launch one of the creatures trained through pipes and small spaces. Something, what the fuck? First one didn't do shit. Well, it just broke the portal for us. Going to dash no interface, I'm on fire today. Can I interact with this?
Hello again.
Oh, I shoot him up here. Fuck, I'm tripping. Alright, what is he gonna do? Oh, he opened the door for us. Alright.
Was it helpful that I gave birth to a lot of tiny guys really fast?
Yeah, it actually is awful.
Is this gonna hurt getting a weapon grafted to my arm? You're gonna graft a Gatlian to my arm, and it's
Yo.
gonna be permanent? Is that right? Because I'm obviously down to do it. I'm just a little scared that it's gonna hurt a lot, and that I'm also gonna regret not being able to use my hand in the normal way. Can you do my right arm? I'm
Yo, what the fuck?
I'll still be able to write. Oh, you know what I'm thinking though? It's actually gonna be a problem because
Now you shoot this
I'm
nigga?
left-handed, so my left hand.
Oh shit! I'm gonna shoot a fucking baby on all of them. Okay, need to fucking run. You have to fucking run. Oh, I thought I had to hold him to shoot the kids at them, but I don't have to do it. Oh my god, can I shoot him? The fuck? Did we save him? Yo! The fuck?
Holy shit, you killed everyone? Wow, you are strong. Good thing I'm safe behind this glass.
Oh! Use one of my kids to
Oh my god, I'm not gonna fuck him up right now.
He'll go into a frenzy. Did I tell you they can get... Oh! And if you keep piling my kids on top of a guy, they can do mind control shit. They can make a bad guy fight for up.
Use RT to adjust motion until my control any minutes how long you can stay control.
I keep yelling at my kids to make it last longer, but they're shitheads. They do not listen.
Oh, I wanted to mind control him. I wanted to press hold LT. Just LT and hold RT to launch one of the creature into their nest.
Shoot my little guys in there. Look at my little guy in there rustling up the hive. Isn't that cute? I'm so proud of him.
I'm just gonna go over here. I don't give a fuck.
Hey, this is fun! You do this sort of stuff all the time, bounty hunter?
Dundee!
Get out of here!
Oh my god, she reached it. Press RB to launch, you have no baby, mind control, anime. Is it? I thought I was gonna mind control it. Like, what the fuck? I wanna see how the mind control works, bro. This shit's being dumb. Oh my god, it's like a tank. Oh my god, I don't wanna get shot by that. Actually gonna break my. Oh my god, it's getting close as fuck. But how is he not fucking dead? Oh, some warp base coming in too. Isn't that fucking great? Oh my god, they're looking. Oh, they're about to break my shield. They're about to break my shield right now. How is he not dead? He shot like 10 of them on him. Can I stab him? Oh, I wanted to stab him. So where are they at?
Can we save these friends of yours while we're here?
Help us.
I can't shoot him in there. What? Why do I still hear like some kind of monster or something?
Do you have a way to rescue these units? I'm new, so I don't know it.
Do I really want to free this dude? What? They could attack me through that? That's crazy. I'm trying to shoot him through the thing. It's not working. I'm gonna just go over here. To fight Jonathan Scrandle.
Oh, hey, Jonathan. I think we're gonna kill you.
Oh, is this what we were looking for? Jonathan Scrandle. Yup, you're dead, man. I missed all my shots. Oh my god. This is jumping around. He's almost dead though. Dude, he's just jumping around. And, oh my god. How the fuck did that not hit me? One shoot the kid at him. That's it, is he dead? Damn, we just fucked him up. So now what? Oh, he just disappeared. He's not dead yet? Bro, he just ran away. Oh, we're gonna have to follow him all the way up there, huh? Oh, I gotta go all the way up there. Wow. Do I need to go through here? Oh, I gotta go all the way around, reach the main compound. I'm gonna have to go all the way around just to find them again.
Oh, portal door. Do you use those to go back to your home base and regroup?
Yup. Oh, I thought the kid was gonna kill him. Oh my god, bro. How the fuck did that break my... Bro, he's fucking me up. He really broke my shit again. Dude, there's like 20 of them. There's really like 20 of them. Huh? Mom. Wait, who came?
My trickle's ready whenever.
Where to go right now? You just come back? Yeah. Oh.
I'm ready for whatever's clever.
Bro, don't tell me you stepped on it, bro. Or to the trouble. Bro, don't step on it, bro. My shoes.
Yeah, what's up again?
Are you high right now? Bless you.
Not gonna let me take a break, huh?
How the fuck did that not make What do I get over here? Oh, I need the fucking fire thing.
Hello again.
What was the him? You have to do was him. Can I make that? Oh my god, Barry just made that shit. I actually killed them. What the fuck? It's saying to go over there and have to go around. Like what? What? From up here. If I jump down there, I guess I could. Oh my. Wasn't I just up there?
Nobody's gonna miss you.
You can't just like. Oh, I could. Okay, I could.
Why the fuck are you not using hardcore? Sorry for freaking out. I'm just wondering why.
What? It's a firewall. Oh, it was.
What's the point?
Alright, there we go.
Why are you guys always flying around?
There's more of them. Oh my god, not these fuckers too, bro.
Hey, blast that pesky sucker.
There's still more of them too, bro. Ain't no way.
We're dancing together, man. Look at that. We're dancing together.
Another one.
This must be the place.
Oh my god, and they got snipers too. Bruh, they literally got fucking snipers. Oh my, he's hitting it right at my fucking. Bro, how did I miss that? He literally surrendered.
Hey, my lucky amulet stopped the bullet. Oops. No.
See the last one? I need to head right over there past those fucking lasers, bro. How the fuck am I even gonna get through that shit in the first place? Enter the cloning facility. I think it's right there.